In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow access in network shared folders in Windows 11. So this should be a quick and easy process video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead, open up your search menu, type in regedit, which is Registry Editor, click on Run as Administrator. And then after that, click on HKey Local Machine, click on System, and then scroll down until you find Current Control Search. And now click on Services. After that, just scroll down until you find Lineman Services, or just go ahead and tap on anything. And then click on L. Now go ahead, double click on it, and then scroll down, click on Parameters. Then go to the right side and right-click at the empty spot. Then go ahead, go to New. Then click on the word 32-bit value. After you have done that, just type in directory cache lifetime. Just make sure the first letter of every word is capital, then hit Enter. After that, go ahead again, right-click on empty spot, go to New, and then go to the word 32-bit value. After that, just type in File, Not Found, Cache, Lifetime. Make sure the first letter is always capital, as you can see. Now go to the third one, hit New. Then click on the word 32-bit value, and from here, just type in File, Info, Cache, Lifetime. So make sure to type everything correctly. After you have done that, just click on Enter, then make sure the value of all of these three is on 0. As you can see, here is on 0. The second one and third one is also on 0. And now after you have done that, just go ahead, close up of Registry Editor, and then restart your computer for changes to take place. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.